What we got? Catherine! Alright, let's list out all the rational zeros. Let's list out all the possibilities. How do I do that? Like, pretend someone was absent yesterday. Okay, what letter do you want to put over the first term? And over the last term? P. And what fraction do you make? So P over Q. What are all the factors of 12? 5?
Oh, 6 and 12.
6 and 12. And the denominator? 1 and 5. Raise your hand if you got that so far. Alright. Obviously, you're trying to stay away from the fractions, but to give you an idea, let's list out all the numbers. Let's list out all the positive numbers. Sebastian, help me list out all the positive numbers. Divide all those by 1. What do you get? You're giving me all the possible numbers that we can test that are positive. Here. 1 divided by 1 is... Keep going. Yep. Yes. Feel free to go faster. Okay, now you gotta do it by dividing by 5. Okay, those are all the positives. Now you have to tell me all the negatives. Alright, so we got to test 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times 4. 24 numbers! 24 numbers. Alexis, tell us a number that will work. Negative 4. Alright, Alexis. Show the class that this works. What am I going to write here?
5.
Yep.
12. Negative 29. 12.
Alright, do it, Alexis.
Negative 5.
Uh-huh.
Negative 4 times 5, 20. Negative 20. Under 12. Negative 8. Negative 4 times negative 8, 32. And then negative 3. Then negative 12. There.
Yay. Okay, so what does that mean? Negative 4 works. Okay. Others who did not pick negative 4. Tell me another number that works. Another number. Uh-oh. We only got 2? Okay. Let's see how this works. Now, if you had picked 1 in the beginning, yours is going to look different, isn't it? But our answers are going to be the same. Okay, watch. Jonathan H. What does this become? Go ahead and factor this now. I'm not sure if it was this class, but if you're using my method, you have to use both x and the box to factor this. Alonzo, A times C? B value? two numbers. So I have negative 3x, negative 5x. Fill out the rest of the inside, Alonzo. Alonzo, help us get stuff on the outside. X or 5x? You can always multiply to double check. Oh. Alonzo, what's a negative times a positive? Negative times negative gives us a positive. So that should be a negative. Okay, so this is our answer if we want to factor it. Yes? Alright. Next step, we just have to solve it now. Juan, what do we do? Set it equal to 0. Tell me what to do, Juan. X is equal to? Keep going. Okay, what does that mean? 1, negative 4, 3 over 5. Show me with your fingers, if you have to use two hands and also your feet. Show me how many numbers you tested. You and people around you. Someone said 2, 2, 4. Alright. Yahweh finally figured it out after 2 days. Tell us.
Graph it.
Okay, let's graph it.
Graph. Or second graph. You graph it and then second graph.
You want to press second graph?
Yeah, second graph.
Oops. I pressed graph and I got all the visuals. Oh, the graph already told me 1, 3/5, and negative 4. Oh, I'm sorry, I pressed the wrong buttons. What did you say?
Second graph.
Oh, Yahweh, these are all x values, and these are all x values. What does that mean? Oh, if I go down to where y equals 0, it tells me all of the ones that work. Raise your hand if you tested 2. Raise your hand. Is the answer remainder 42?
Yeah.
Oh, you mean the table of values using the remainder theorem tells me all the answers. Mr. Ring, are you saying that we don't have to test all these numbers? You can use this and this. Good job, Yahweh.